Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Binance. Access crypto trading account step by step clearly. Open the Binance mobile app on your phone or go to www.binance.com on your computer. Check that the website address is correct and that you are not on a fake lookalike page. Tap or click the login button on the top right of the screen. Choose whether you want to sign in with email, phone number, or Apple/Google if you previously connected it. Enter the email address or phone number that you used when creating your Binance account. Type your password carefully and make sure caps lock is not accidentally enabled. If you forgot your password, select Forgot Password and follow the reset instructions before continuing. Complete the security verification puzzle or CAPTCHA if Binance shows it. If two-factor authentication is enabled, open your authenticator app such as Google Authenticator. Enter the 6-digit authentication code before it expires and then submit it. If you use SMS verification, wait for the text message and enter the code exactly as received. If you use email verification, open your inbox, find the Binance email, and copy the code. Return to the login page and paste or type the email code. Then confirm. If Binance asks for a new device confirmation, approve the login request via email or in-app prompt. If you are on a shared computer, do not enable the Remember Me option for security. After successful login, go to your profile icon to confirm you are in the correct account. Check your account status and complete identity verification if Binance prompts you to do so. To access trading, tap Trade on mobile or choose Trade from the top menu on desktop. Select Spot Trading if you are a beginner and want to buy and sell crypto directly. If Binance requests risk disclosures, read them and click Agree to continue. Make sure your account has funds by checking Wallet and then Spot Wallet balance. If you need to add funds, use Deposit for crypto transfers or buy crypto for card and bank options. Enable additional security like anti-phishing code and passkeys if available in security settings. Avoid logging in on public Wi-Fi and use a trusted network whenever possible. If you see unusual activity, immediately change your password and review device management. Log out when you finish by opening the profile menu and selecting Log Out. Keep your app updated to the latest version to receive security and performance improvements. If login still fails, contact Binance support through the Help Center inside the app or on the website. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.